Today's video, I want to share with you guys how a new Amazon FBA private label seller went from $0 to $895,000 in under 1 year. He also able to bought his wife a new home, also for their newborn baby. And Hung, if you're watching this video, I'm super proud of you, seeing all the process that you have made and also the effort that you put, and now you enjoy the fruit of labor. Super proud of you, bro. You have done your part as a father and also as a husband. So in this video, guys, I want to share with you guys all the timelines and also how much it actually takes and the effort that it involved to get to having your own online business that making money even when you sleep and only put a few hours in every single day to maintain it. You don't have to drive to work. You don't have to listen to your boss. You don't have to slaving 8 to 10 hours a day away from your loved ones to build your boss dream. And in the end, you are still fixed to living paycheck to paycheck and don't really have any upside potential. And nowadays, with the current economic downturn, you don't know when your job will be laid off. And if you don't know me, my name is Justin. I've been selling on Amazon for over half a decade already. I have done multiple $1 million. You can check the link down in the description box for my Instagram account where I document my entire journey. And let's get started. So we have the case study here, and Hung is one of my mentee that I helps. He started in this November of 2021. So this is his message that he shared with me. This was back in November 2021. So he was already selling online. He was trying to launch his own fitness brand. It was a resistance band for his wife, but he didn't know how to market yet at that time, so he ended up losing money on that one. He trying to sell book, but also at the same time, Amazon is the largest place for people to buy books, and for him to competing with Amazon is a no-brainer. So I realized that after a while, after trying a lot of things and failing and losing money, he would rather, like he told me, if he were to come back, he would rather invest into someone, invest into the relationship, a mentor, so that he can skip the trial and error. Because if you trace back to your life to the point where you are getting to where you are today, there's always somebody with experience or helping you. Let's say when you were in college, when you were in university, your professor were helping you because you're already paying them in your tuition. The tutor in your school was helping you because it's already included in your tuition. And also when you are in, I would say in your jobs, let's say for people that are coding, there's always a mentor in there that kind of give you the ropes so that you don't have to go through the trial and error. Because eventually I would say we all smart, we all capable of doing things, but it just matters who's going to take longer and who's going to do it faster. And for me, when I can learn it from the other people's mistake, it's always better move so that I don't have to waste time. I can get to the finish line faster, and at the same time, I can build a good relationship with someone that already have the knowledge and the experience and also in the place that I want to be in. And you know that your net worth determined by your network. So the good quality people that you can add to your network, the more net worth you will be. Okay. So this one, he sent me a deposit to get started. And back then my program was 11,000, and right now it's about 55K for the one-on-one. But I don't want to take anyone in because it's a lot of work. But I'm doing a group one where I would providing the same kind of quality, and a lot of people have found the products already. So I realized that the same information, that just like you guys here, when I speak to you guys will take it and learn from it. And if I speak to one person, it will be the same thing. So may as well just share with more people. And then that's how we grow things faster. Okay, so January. So he found the products about 2 months. He already found the products and he already go into the inspection phase. So for you to find your products and to have to order your product, the process will take about 2 months, 2 to 3 months max. And after that, we will ship it to Amazon. And while your product is in the ship from China to Amazon, that's when you can start creating your product listing. If you don't know what a product listing is, it is just where if you shop on Amazon, the images, the description of the product, we call it the product listing, okay? So fast forward. February, keyword list. I think this time I was in Vietnam. So February, Hung create his product listing, images, starting reviews, and of course we're asking his friend to leave the initial reviews on Amazon, but we do make sure that Amazon don't catch it. Unfriends using different Wi-Fi and make sure that the friend is not in the state. I also told him to write himself a check and cash out in 2023. Okay? And we're going to give you an update later. The reason why I'm telling him to write this check for himself is, like I mentioned earlier, you need to have an end goal. What is your end goal? You have to have a number. You don't just want to say, I make a million. I want to make millions. No, you want to make 1 mil, 5 mil, 10 mil, or 100 mil. Different level, different devil. But if 1 million, write that check today. That's another action item for you. If you really want to change your life in 2023, just by doing the little things. And this thing is to open your checkbook, writing down the dollars to the exact that you need. And maybe just instead of your name, put your mom name there and give it to her and say, hey mom, this is the gift for you. I know it's a promising note, but I will work my ass off to give you this promise. And then also make a copy for yourself. Put it everywhere so that you can see it every day, so that you can remind yourself that you are owning your life, your loved one, a promise. You can give it to your daughter, someone that you really care and you know that you don't want to be high on your words, okay? That's when you're really going to get your ass up and running. So February, he's running his start marketing already. So November, December, January, February, timeline 4 months for him to launch the product and start running marketing. Okay, so first month is about mindset. That's just what I help people, just the foundation. And then mindset, product research, and then ordering the products, and while the product being shipped to Amazon, create listing, and also start working on your PPC, meaning your pay-per-click Amazon advertising terms. And once the product arrives, that's when you can turn on the product marketing. All right. And this is something he said. He make me proud because I believe in him. Of course, he paid me first. You know why? Because if you go have a free gym, you're never gonna work out. I have helped people before, and at the end, they wasting everyone's time. And just like a free gym, if you don't go to the gym, if you don't pay, you're not gonna go. Like that apartment gym, you'll never show up. But when you're really committed, that's when you start to put your mind in, and I will show you the result. Okay. This is when he make his first $1,000 on FBA. This one is in February 20th. He's really committed because he knows that if he don't commit, he would wasting his money. Just like I mentioned to you earlier about this mindset trick, when you pay that $39.99 per month with Amazon, it's going to give you that push that you need. And most people, they will need that. Okay. This is the February 1000. Oh, it's a 1099. It's a 1099K W2. So pass his first 1000 with Amazon. And let's see. So February, this is his first sales on Amazon. Okay. First sale on Amazon. So February 20th. And the other one is February 21st. Oh, 20th too. So same day. Alright. So he passed it 2 days together, combined. And then February 22nd, $2,000. He started making $1,000 a day. Keep the doctor away. First milestone. I asking him, how does it feel? So I asked him, how does it feel to make your first $1,000 online without touching the products or shipping the product? This is what he said. Great as F. He shared it with his little sister. She didn't believe it. And that was the exact same feeling when I first started selling on Amazon. I'm like, that's weird. I know that I have to show up at the nail salon. Honey, you gotta do your nails. $5 for the tips. $5 for the gel. But in this case, I don't even have to talk to the customer. I just sitting at home, looking at my phone. Like, oh shit, I got some money rolling in. And it's the same way for him. Because Amazon handling all of the shipment. Okay? They're handling fulfillment, shipment to the customer, handling customer service. And you just sit from home. And when the stock is out, calling up your supplier, say, hey, I need 2,000 more. They ship it directly to Amazon. And you just run Amazon marketing and just do the same way. No fluff, no hassle. And you don't have to really go out there and go in the sun, go in the rain, sourcing for products, and then have to wait for somebody mercy to give you the product to sell. This case, you own all of the control. Okay? Let's see. So he hit 2,000. So February 24th, he started pump it up to 1,800. So if he's doing about 1,800, let's say 2,000, that could be $60,000 annual revenue. Okay. Same here, February 25th. He doing about 5,800. And fast forward, boom, 1,900 again. And his goal is to hit 2,000. And we'll see. I'm going to show you that if he actually hit it or not, okay? Keep that in mind. I'll let you make a guess. But I'll share with you after. So 1,900. 2 days. So he has 7 days, 10,000. Oops, he not hit 2,000 yet. However, be patient. This is the check that he put there. Oh, this is the first time. Let's see. Let's fast forward to today, okay? He doing about 4,000 a day now, not 2,000 anymore. 4,000 a day, 3,000 a day, and this is the date. 108,000. A lot of gurus out there that are teaching you how to make money with Amazon actually just started to barely hit this number. All they stuck in with is 60,000, 70,000 on one product. So this one, Hung did it in under 1 year. Bought himself a home with his wife. 2022 was a dream come true for him. Everything that he wanted it, he make it happen. You know why? Because he actually get out of his cage inside of his mind. He willing to give his hands out to other people to help him. He willing to invest into himself. And most people don't understand that. Most people blindly invest 20,000, 30,000 into a stock. They don't even know a founder. Meanwhile, they can invest into somebody that are actually exists. Somebody that they can see and talk to. But most people play this life because they are follow the majority. So Hung happy, he has his wife, and they bought a home in Garland. And also he changed his body too. He started changing his body, and he started to really mentally prepare. He also give back. So one thing is, for the people that I helps, I tell them that, hey, if you make money, you are obligated to help other people. Because if you don't, I'm not going to help you. Because I force people to do it. Because why not? You know, I have the power. Because in the end, I just want them to realize that the position they are today, it's not because they are doing good. It's just because they have a purpose. The purpose of giving a good life to his parents, to his wife. And after he completed it, he bought himself a home. He had to find other purpose. And for entrepreneur, after you take care of your family member, after you buy all the things that you love, what next? You have to find a purpose. Never money, not going to bring you fulfillment. It's by helping other people. Like this girl, Hung bought her a cart, electric scooter, so now she's happy. In Vietnam, you know, it's just have a meaningful life, so that when you leave this world, you don't leave it empty, okay? You don't feel empty when you're leaving it. We're born crying, and we die, we're crying. So make sure every time we cry, the day that we're born, we're crying because we have a good life. We're going to start a new life, and when we die, we're going to cry because we have all the memory that brought back to how many people we helped, how many people we have helped, how many lives we have changed, and the smile that we can put into our loved ones before our time comes. Thank you so much, friends, for staying all the way to the end. I know your time is precious and I don't want to keep you here long, but if you enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to learn more from me, so that I can make better videos for you, so you can learn more and you don't have to make the same mistake that I made before, so that you don't have to lose a ton of money and time, okay? And consider to subscribe, because I pump out more content to help you to become a successful seller on Amazon. And I do have a ton of other videos, free video down in the description, where you can learn more about how to sell on Amazon and how to set up your business the right way. I'll see you in the next videos, and have a blessing evening, okay? Peace for now.